Hi, welcome to another report of new construction. This one is 367,900, and if you use the builder's lender, because it's new construction, you do have some special financing deals as well. I love this house, 2,100 square feet, super bright. Also want to point out that I am pretty much on it's on a straight line. It's in the middle of a community, but it's a nice, lovely yellow and green. It's beautiful and bright and not like the dark picture you see online. That's why it's always important to see new construction in person. Also, you can see two-door garage. And obviously, if I was going to go in here, I would park my car and I would take my groceries in that door. But since we're on a new construction tour, let's go in the front door so you can get the full effect. Bermuda grass. They've already put all the landscaping, so let's go on inside. Now here you can put your rocking chair front porch, your Christmas decorations, whatever it is you want to do with your front porch, but you have the room. Also, I want to point out with this upgraded door before we go inside, I don't always do this, but you do have this ledge, which is lovely. So if you wanted to put like a Christmas tree wreath or something, you have a ledge to hold on to it. That's not true with most. And of course, you still have brightness coming in from the door. Now we come in the door, and I have two options in this house. I can go to my left, which is the fourth bedroom or an office, or I can go to my right, which is the formal dining. Formal dining has a tray ceiling, so we'll just quickly check it out because it is already open and you can see it. Double windows. I love light. I love seeing light. That's why I love that upgraded door. So I have light there, and then I also have an office. You could use this as a fourth bedroom as well. So you clean the door, you have double windows, you could put your desk there, enjoy the view of the day. You could put a bed over here if you needed a bed. It also does come with a closet. So if you do need a fourth bedroom, and I want to point out it's not so small, like it took me a minute to go to the other side of it. So these are decent sized closets. And I do like that it's a double door style. You could put his and her desk on either side and enjoy the window in the middle, whatever it is that you want to do. Yes, notice how my husband and I work a lot at home, so we have an office that we share. We're going down, you have a formal foyer, so you could put a table. We went into the dining room. My husband telling me we should go back into the dining room, but we did this already, so I'll just quickly show you. You do have a formal dining area as well, and it is quite lovely. And again, if you use their lender, they do have special financing deals. So you can put a table with, your mirror or whatever, because you do have a little formal area. So if you don't want people fully in your house, you do have that. Then we come to the house, and now I have a beautiful vaulted ceiling in this one. I love the gray cabinets. Right in the corner caddy, gray cabinets. I have a pantry over here. I can put my groceries. And as I'm putting my groceries away, I am looking up. And those ceilings are huge. And that is lovely. It's just a lovely view of having so much space. But before we leave the kitchen area, I want us to come back. Formal dining behind me. Over to my left over here, or right and left thing. Your washer dryer area. So washer dryer is off the kitchen. And then also, here is where I would be coming in if I had groceries and I wanted to bring my groceries right into my kitchen. So I am right there into my kitchen area, super close to my pantry, so I can put everything away for easy storage. And of course, my refrigerator would be here, where I'm standing. And then also we have all of this open concept space with a vaulted ceiling. So it's beautiful. And then you can see all of here as well. You could easily, put some tables over there. You have two options. You could put it's wired for TV here, or it's wired for TV here. So if you're a person who likes it above the fireplace and have everything surrounding the fireplace, or including the fireplace and having this as your TV spot, those are two options that you can design either way. So you could have the L shape for that, you could have it there, and then have two with little things. You have lots of design options, your choice. That's the lovely part about both things. I do like the extended, where you could put your chairs in easily. Now let's go to the side rooms, the other bedrooms. This is the bedroom with the one window. Decent sized closet as well. The one window, so this is the kid who doesn't like light so much. going in here. It is still, of course, wired for TV. If you needed a man cave, I would make this one it because it would have the least amount of light. So therefore, your TV could blare the brightest. Over here, continue on. You have quartz in the kids' bathroom. They have that old-fashioned Nicolette fake marble stuff, which is beautiful. And of course, a regular bathtub in here. Moving on to the other bedroom. You are facing the backyard here, so you are getting a view. We will go to the backyard next before going to the primary. Still a decent-sized closet. And they are all wired for fans. So if you wanted to add a fan, you can. We will show you the backyard in this one in a minute, but I wanted to kind of let you see this is a beautiful house for this reason. Let's go to the backyard. Oh, I didn't show you the linen closet. So linen closet as well. Moving on, let's go to the backyard now so you can see this backyard. I do love the fact that I have like a tree line there. How long the tree lines were there for, I don't know. I don't know who owns the trees. Maybe it's part of the land, maybe it's not. I cannot promise something that's not there, but for now I enjoy. Very clear delineation of where the property lines are. You could put a fence like they did down there and then not worry about anything, to be honest. You could see you have a nice quiet space for you to enjoy outside. It's a lovely area, so let's continue on. Let's go check out that primary. I love bedrooms, of course, we all do, and that is supposed to be our suite where we get to replenish ourselves, so let's go check it out now. Okay, moving on. I showed you the two kids' rooms. Also want to point out there is another closet here, so if we were to put your cleaning supplies or if you need an extra pantry. And then in here you have tray ceilings. Beautiful. 2 more windows. Moving on, this bathroom, as my husband said, is huge. You walk into your sink area, so you have to keep your sink area clean. You do have, we'll do the walk-in closet over here, the commode, which just didn't turn the light on. So you have the bathroom over there. And continuing in the L shape, before we go into the closet, the L shape, you do have custom shower, and then you also have the garden tub over here in its own little private space, which is lovely. It does have its own closet over here as well. But here, if you're looking for a nice place to soak in the tub and be completely isolated, you have a window, you have thing, and then nothing on the other side. So you can put some candles and really feel alone there. Then, of course, you have your walk-in closet over here as well. Quite lovely. And I am so excited that we got to show you these houses. Let's go back into the primary. We hope you love seeing these videos. We are so excited when we have permission to make these videos for you. So we will see you again soon.